How to recover your TaxAct account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you recover your TaxAct account in case you've forgotten your account credentials. So first of all, what you have to do is simply visit the TaxAct website, which is www.taxact.com, and hit enter in your web browser. After that, look for the sign in or create account option on the TaxAct website. Click on it to go to its login page and click on Forgot your username or password. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Here, provide the username or the email address or phone number with your TaxAct account associated with your TaxAct account. This is typically the email address you use during the account setup. TaxAct will likely send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for this message and follow the instructions to verify your email. In the email, there should be a verification link. Click on the link to confirm your identity and proceed with the password reset process and reset your password. After verifying your email, you'll likely be directed to a page where you can reset your password, choose a new secure password for your TaxAct account, and once you have successfully reset your password, go back to the TaxAct login page and log in using your email address and the new password. After logging in, you may have the option to review and update your security information, such as your security questions or two-factor authentication. And if you encounter any difficulties during the account recovery process, or if you're unable to access your account, consider reaching out to TaxAct customer support for assistance. Always refer to the latest guidance provided by the TaxAct or contact their customer support for the specific instructions on recovering your account for the tax year 2024. They will have the most accurate and the current information based on any updates or changes to their system. This is how you can recover your TaxAct account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.